Hello everyone, hope you are fine. So today's video is how to draw crystal mandala art step by step, especially for beginners. But before we start, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. As 93% people doesn't subscribe, so please support and it will not cost you a single rupee to subscribe. And if you want to know how much time it takes to make a single video, then read the description. So let's start. I have taken an ivory sheet of A4 size, and by meeting midpoints of both sides we get the center of the sheet. So now mark the points at a proper distance shown so that you will easily draw concentric circles. Now with help of a compass, draw concentric circles. I am using protractor to mark points at 10 degrees intervals, which makes 36 sections. Now, with help of a scale, meet the points we marked with center. Here, I am marking 6 points on the innermost and the outermost circles on the same line. Now, drawing circles of 2 cm radius on the line we marked. I am drawing a hexagon by just meeting the points we marked in the innermost circle. Now focus here. I am going to place protractor on diameter line and mark the points at 60 degree and 120 degrees. Just perform this step in the opposite direction. Now join the points passing through center. Okay, now again perform the same step to draw hexagon as we have performed in the innermost circle. So after doing this, I will draw 2 more concentric circles along this one, so don't forget this step. Now our grid looks like this. Now moving to next step, I am highlighting hexagon with a fine liner. Now moving to section 1, I am going to use 3 grids to draw a single pattern. While filling the pattern, I am using dot method. So, I draw a circle in which I draw very fine dots and bold dots in the space left. Moving to second section. Here I am using 2 sections. Please focus. Here I have used 2 sections to draw patterns because after drawing circles I realized that I want more space to draw the pattern. Now while I am using fine liner, I made a mistake. I have drawn the pattern in the part of circle, so now I have to remove this part from here. So first of all, if you make any mistake, then follow these steps. Erase the pencil lines nearby. Now use white pen to cover the ink and let it dry. So now we can move forward to our drawing. Here I am detailing the pattern. You can use your own pattern if you want.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now coming to hexagon, here I am going to draw a small hexagon inside it. So the simplest way to do it is divide this area into half and draw a line. Now repeat this same step here. Now moving to other side, taking midpoints from center line to this line and drawing a straight line. So now perform this step in all directions, and we will get a hexagonal shape. So our artwork looks like this. I am using sky blue color at center, and I have chosen rainbow scheme to make it look attractive. Now moving to pencil shading. I am making the pencil lines lighter so that after using pencil colors, these lines will not be visible. Well, I suggest you to fill the colors by seeing the images which I given in description, because in a video it will take much time to show all the hexagons colored. So I am showing only one hexagon here, and other images are in description. You can draw it from there and it will be easy for you also. Now as a final part, I am using white pen to do some more detailing, and it will make our artwork look more complex. And if you don't have white pen, just go and purchase it. It will cost you about 60 to 70 rupees, but it is a very useful tool. And if you want to buy it online, the link is in description. You can buy it from there.
What does perfect even